President Muhammadu Buhari, he don't advise our youth for this country. Hey, what's in talk? He don't talk and say make all the youth see themselves as one of the greatest assets we have in this country. Now through the mouth of the vice president, now in the talk Professor Yemi Osibanjo, now through his mouth, he talk he talk many things. He talk and say youth are the future of this country. Youth are the leaders of tomorrow. He can make me to remember one song like that. Parents, this is your children. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Now waiting, and that kind of song Osibanjo they sing for all the youth. Because they can say youth. He can just talk to say make all the youth make them stop to dey complain. Stop to dey complain. No matter the situation you find yourself in this country, try and move on. Yeah, now wetin President Buhari dey advise people through the mouth of im VP Professor Yemi Osibanjo. Na him be that. Me. In the okay, wetin you talk in the okay as the president supposed to motivate youth. Na true, but the issue be say me I get na him be this. I talk and say youth are the leaders of tomorrow. I wan ask now how many youth dey at the top position nowadays. I wan ask question now. You talk and say we be leaders of tomorrow. Say make we see ourselves as greatest assets. When youth they complain, say they don't like the way things they move on for this country. We try to talk fast small. When youth talk and say they want protest for this same country, we say our president talk and say we be greatest assets. Wetin happen? NSAS for Lekki, wetin happen? You know say up till now they never resolve the case. Bandits they kill 247. And you talk and say we be greatest assets. What's happening again? No job for this country. No job. Now the rate of unemployment and underemployment don't high for this country. Yet we be the greatest assets. And Professor Yemi Osibanjo talk and say make we no complain. Say make we try and move on. Why won't we complain? Seriously, that word where our professor talk, seriously, it's in a pay me. Talk and say make we no complain. Say make we try to move on. So if we dey suffer for this country, make we no complain. In case of anything we dey face for this country, in fact, our economy, so anyhow the thing eat us, we should not complain. You know the budget 82 billion naira for mosquito nets, make we no complain. And the budget billions of naira for 14 hospital bed for Aso Rock, make we no complain. Now the budget billions of naira for generator for Aso Rock, make we no complain. Yet citizens, the youth we talk say we be leader of tomorrow, we dey in suffer, we dey in poverty. In fact, most work we say all our youth save they do save now, and just to see something to job, nothing to just to survive themselves, to just be alive. They never use and do one good things because say all the better jobs, I don't find way to share them among yourself. I never hear for once say all this big company, all this oil company they find workers. I never hear them. The only work we say they always the year. We use they always the year. They always the year. Now job of 30,000 naira, 35k. Now waiting we go to use chop. I ain't be that. The fact say gas don't cost. Everything don't cost yet. The talk say make we no complain. Say make we see ourselves as greatest assets. Now youth can't talk and say okay. They don't want to depend on the government again. Talk and say okay, they want to go to crypto stuff. What's happen? The only means we say our youth still use survive cryptocurrency, we still ban now. Make youth no complain. We are the leaders of tomorrow. I'm very sure say if assuming those guys will get practice what they call them, we say that they use exchange Bitcoin or stuff. It also those guys they Nigeria. I'm very sure say EFCC go to pursue them. I'm very sure of that one. Those people where they do what they can Patricia, what they call her. I'm very sure say if talk say them in Nigeria, EFCC go dey pursue them, and you talk and say will be greatest assets of this country. This country will be say any youth will carry phone for hand. In fact, if carry phone for hand, na cyber crime in they do. You go quick arrest them, quick harass them, and will be greatest asset of this country. And we make we no complain. Nigeria, my country. Nigeria, this country, if we say if person they try. Now we get many talents for this country, many talent, but what we see. One video, there was one picture like that. So say in circulate, say one student, I mean some students, they build a robot, a dog robot. They build a dog robot for this country. They build robots for this country. Our federal government don't say anything to do about it. I tell you, they don't sponsor those children to learn more. They don't even appreciate their work. The picture just circulated for social media, and that was the end. That was the end of that thing. Now, more can't tell me how will those students be motivated to do better things that. No, tell me now. Everybody get their own talent. Everybody get their own talent. But what's in the happen for this country? I watched many videos of someone, we say of a young guy for Southeast, a young boy. We say he built POS. I mean, he built ATM machine. We say the dispense money. He used carton to build down. And the thing they dispense money live. They dispense money live. What thing happened after the video circulated for social media? That was the end. No, that was the end. Yet the talk say we be greatest assets of this country. There are many things like that we say they happen for this country. We say our leaders just if say they don't see them. For all of us, what did they happen? Those people for abroad, they get brain. Then go use tide to come Nigeria here, carry our own assets. They go carry them, enter abroad. They go use our own people for their own development over there. Yet, maybe we see ourselves as the greatest assets. This country will be say if any youth, if they drive car, if they use ordinary Apple phone for this country, they go harass you, they go arrest you. Yet, you be greatest assets. Make we no complain. This country, you see, at times say I always think something say this thing will soon pass, and the more you think about this issue of Nigeria economy, the more you get headache. And I tell you, these are our leaders will just wake up one day and decide some things on their own. And I tell you, you go decide some things on their own by let's just try to increase the price of this thing without even thinking about how the thing will affect citizens, how the thing will affect the youth. There was a time like that where we say the VP of this country, Professor James Manjo, can say in one alliance with the Chinese. Maybe say they go teach youth about what they call about technology. Up till now. Now after that news, we trend that time up till now, we never see anything. Professor, our VP never see anything to do up till now. He never recruits people. We say they go carry them, go China, go teach, go learn, technology. They never use them. What's they happen? We they use our own money to do another thing. Yet, and they give us motivational quotes. Say we are the leaders of tomorrow. The same seats where we say they don't want to leave. We are the leaders of tomorrow. The same position where we say they want stay there. They want to embezzle all the money for them and their children alone. Talk and say we are the leaders of tomorrow. Are we still the leaders of tomorrow? With all this thing, and our VP talk say make we no complain despite everything where they happen. Say make we try to move on. Make we move on. When we dey suffer, make we dey move on. No wahala. To eat beans for this country now, na wahala. Gas, sabi how much it be. Fuel, sabi how much im be? Make we no complain, make we move on. No wahala. Wetin una think about dis thing wey be say our president don talk and through the mouth of the VP, he don advise all the youths, he don motivate us, say hey, make una see yourself as the greatest asset of dis country, say na you go build dis country, say na you be the face of dis country, say na you people, na you all, say na all the youth, na you be the wey dey call am ambassador of dis country, anywhere everywhere you dey. Wetin una see about wetin the president talk and wetin about dis thing, say make una no complain despite the fact, despite anything na dey face for dis country, say make we try to move on. Wetin una think about that? Are we still the leaders of tomorrow of this country? Make we make I hear your opinion. Let's talk about it. My name is MC Top Secrets. Don't forget to follow me. I dey everywhere. See you in my next edition. Thank you.